today, guys, we're gonna be making a thing. But before I show you what thing, there's a volunteer who would like to come, and his name is Ethan. He's coming in 3, 2, 1. There we go. That's my brother. He's so cute. He's so adorable. He's so adorable. He's so adorable. Okay, so today, Ethan, can you show what we're making? Yeah. Oh, wait. There's a catch. Whoa! That's what we're gonna be making. Yes, you got it correct. So it's a shaky thing. So it says your name. It can only say your name, but I choose my family's name. So yeah. So that's what we're gonna be making. So I'm gonna use different things. To make the sound, you need some things. For this one, I use smiley faces. But for this next one, we're going to be using these writing things. It does still make a good thing. So look. And this one. This is a less noisier and this is much louder. So Ethan, what are these? No. Toxic waste. So these are toxic waste tubs. They don't have to be the same color. This was same color, but listen. You don't have to choose toxic waste tubs, and if you do, you will need to. And they can be same, they don't have to be same so this one isn't same. But if you don't have toxic waste, use another thing that is same. So I had this big jar and another big jar. Put them together, okay? There must be 2 equal. So these are equally the same size and they're equally the same height, okay? So yeah, that's it. So what's going to be happening? Okay, Ethan, we can't really see you. Come on. So there are some letters. So these are letters. Well, listen. If I shake it, it's easily going to come out, right? Well, we don't want that to happen. So what's going to happen? We're going to tape this outside. Well, okay, I'll tell you what we need. We need some like wrapping paper or any paper you have. Tapes if you want to design it. There's just pens if you want to design it. And then scissors and sellotape. And something so you can like shake it. So ready? Ethan, guys, he has a magic thing. So you see, there's nothing in his hand. But you see this red thing? If we do... Yeah, I joined my hand. So he has magic powers. If we do, something will come out, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's here. We've got tape. So what you're going to want to do, use any tape, but just make sure you'll need 2 kinds of tape. Any color you want and an invisible one. So what's going to happen, you'll need, no. You will need a tape, okay? Make sure they're not sidey like this or that or that. Listen, if you do that, that's fine, but your one thing, it won't work. So, what you're going to do, they must be equal, okay? And then you need to put tape. Oops, it's coming off. It's not. Oh! I just landed. How you did that?
You're a little hungry.
Not really, Dad. We're in the middle of a video. So we're going to kind of tape this bit. And then just... So my bits are not that equal, so I'm going to move it a bit. Okay. So make sure this bit is fully taped so no side is missing. Like that. And then you'll need scissors. You need to cut that and then be like that. Look, you see I've taped it. Is there any spot that's missing? Nope. Yeah. Well, if your bit is missing here somewhere, then yeah, your one will break down. So now we don't need that. So We don't also need scissors. This time we need some wrapping paper. That's probably the best option. Okay, in fact, for this one we might need a pen, but not these pens. We need a whiteboard pen. Any pen. Just make sure you can rub it out. Okay, we don't have any of these at the moment. Okay, but whatever, we'll miss that bit. Okay, so now we need wrapping paper or any paper you guys have, okay? So, we had 3 kinds of wrapping paper. My brother chose this one. And it is, Ethan, what is it? Spider-Man! Ready? Ethan's gonna get in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Oh, wow, sorry. Sorry if I scared you there. So, we're gonna, sorry, this isn't like that good, just to say, but I think it might work. So we're gonna cut this bit down so we have a piece here, and we'll do that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Oh no. Okay, we need this. So okay, listen. If your one's ripped, that's fine. Just make sure it's equal. So we'll rip this bit. So we'll use one of these, and we'll wrap it around, I guess. So my one's perfectly fitted. So what I want to do, it must be like this. Leave these in the gap, okay? Make sure this is clear. If it's together, that's also fine. Just put some tape around it, okay? So for this thing, I actually need it straighted. Like, this is not that straight, you could say. So well, I do need it straight. So we'll get this as a square or a rectangle in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's not really a square. Well, unless it's better than the last one. So if it's kind of like this, if it's a mistake, try again. So listen, you can also use maybe foil paper. I'm not really sure. I forgot what that is. So if you see your one is like this, okay, you can see something. You need to start a new one, okay? I mean, not just cut. You didn't cut it perfectly. Well, if you really don't want to try cutting it again, just try again, but this time, like, stretch it as hard as you can.
Have me again.
Sorry, guys, I'm just taking my time. Yep, if you stretch it hard, it might still be there. So I'd actually use another new one. Okay, let's try this one. Nope. You're not working. You don't want to stay. Yep. Perfect. Ethan, you're right. That is perfect, actually. No, don't tell me I did a mistake in this one.
It's not perfect.
Okay, Ethan, you might be right. Guys, Ethan, right. Ethan might be right. Ethan might be right.
Maybe it's
Well, guys, listen. If you guys get stuck, either calm down or just try again.
perfect.
You could say this is perfect, actually.
It's not perfect.
Okay, in fact, I actually need to cut this bit. I wish I had straight paper now. So you see that bit? So yeah, this is what I was talking about. If these bits are here, what you'll want to do, you want to do this, okay? You'll tape it. But since I have so short and it's not filling the whole thing, I'm actually going to cut it. Ethan? Nobody told you could cut.
I will cut that. Yeah, I will cut that too.
No, Ethan.
Wow.
When you're big, okay? When you're bigger, okay?
Mm-hmm. Look,
So
the
listen.
seed we bought our sister because we did sell.
I know, but this is for your safety. So yeah, there we go. I got it perfect now. I've been cabbed, that's why I'm... So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna fold this thing, but this time we'll need not this one. We'll need an invisible one so people can't see that we've actually taped it that way. So Ethan is gonna give it to us. 3, 2, 1. Ethan? Yes, we got it. You don't need to use this one at the moment. This is the only clear one in our house. That's why I'm using it. Well, what you'll want to do, this is kind of taking me longer because this is kind of hard to peel off. Not so easy like the other ones. Okay, there we go. You see this bit? What you're gonna want to do is cut this bit off, okay? And now, I want you to like get it into 2 pieces. And then make it, okay, just make it into 4 pieces, okay? And if it's too short, use another tape. So now I've got 4 little tips. I'm going to put them here, which I don't think I should be doing, but nobody ever made a rule. Not allowed. So what you're going to be wanting to do,
I will help you to do that.
okay, yeah, fine. Now, Ethan, you're going to... I think I need Ethan's help.
Maybe I need my help to put that on, Maria.
Okay, Ethan? Oh, okay.
You did the sellotape that?
Nope. Okay, we'll skip this bit. Wait. See, he's helping me, okay?
Did you know the sellotape?
Wait, not now, okay? Thank you, Ethan. Okay, well, I'll take it from your finger. Ethan, can I have another one? Okay, we ran out. Cutting time. Oh, okay, we put all of them here, so if you can see them. Ethan, can I please have another tape? What we do? You got another one. Always sit with one, okay? So if it says, Ethan, give me one, so you're like, hurry up! Can we have another one? Listen, you need to, now take another one. Take another one. Take another one. Okay, now wait, now wait. Okay, so after you're kind of done with sticking it, you can see these bits. So what you're going to want to kind of do
Here.
Okay, I don't need it right now, baby.
But I need it. But I need it.
No, you can, no.
Wow.
So look, these must be perfectly, or if it's big, remember what I said. I just cut them. Ethan, put them where they were. So now what you're going to want to do, you take a bit of scrap, but make sure it's the same drawing. You take that bit, okay? Okay? So now what's going to happen, I'm actually going to do it the other way so the drawing doesn't really get ruined. This time we need a whiteboard. No, I know.
But I can't even.
Ethan, give me a whiteboard in 3, 2, 1. Oopsie. Thank you. So, now what you're going to do, see, normally don't do this, but if you want, you can turn it over so it's not ruined. Now what you're going to want to do, you kind of want to circle it over like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's going to happen, there are going to be some red, blue things. You don't need to use the color blue. Now, look, I don't need to worry about where do I stick up because I've got it highlighted. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to cut it like... No, you need to cut it outside, like 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you've got a bit of circle. Now where's the thing we're making? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna do that, and now look, it's gonna look like this. Well, look, I'm gonna do this, and it's gonna come off, right? So Ethan, I need a bit of tape.
But I need tape.
Okay, wait, I'll give you tape in a minute, okay? I'll give you magic tape. So you take the circle. Okay, you take the circle here, okay?
Yeah, one for me, one for me. Yeah, that's
wait,
for me.
You think can I have another tape?
Yeah,
And then you kind of like highlight it.
Yeah, that's mine.
No, Ethan, no.
Why?
Ethan, give me another tape.
Okay.
So you need 4 tapes for this. If you want to be extra careful, then use about 6, I would say. But make sure they're mini. Now it's not falling. What about this one? Same for that one. And 3. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there you go. I've cut it. And now what's gonna happen? I'm gonna tape it. Huh? Yeah. And then I'm gonna do that.
Did you see your puzzle?
And then you're gonna do that.
Did you show mommy your puzzle?
So there you go. Now, I mean, this is good, but it looks boring, right? Yeah, it looks like super duper boring. Okay. This is like good job for the effort, but it's kind of boring, I would say. Now, what you're gonna want to do for the outside designs, use some tape, like some colorful tapes. Okay. So what's gonna happen now? Okay, so I'm gonna kind of like tape this bit. Okay, you guys will see in 3, 2, 1. This might not look good for this Spider-Man one. Like it looks very good for this one, but maybe not for that one. Well, yeah, do it for the other one. Great, can't find it now. Can't find it. Isn't that so annoying? I really can't find it. Okay, there. Well, this is my second one that I'm making, but this was kind of hard to make because the wrapping paper wasn't like really straightforward as this. It was like very bumpy. And now use this for the other one. Like this, same for the other side. You guys don't have to do the order that I did. It could be blue, 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 or blue, blue, green, green, or green, 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 green. Okay?
Sorry, I played football.
Yeah. So that's the way to do it.
How you make that?
Yeah, we're done. And if you would like, you could also
You sure?
write
You sure?
some names.
You sure?
Yeah.
If that's yours, that's mine.
Yep. So you can write names. You know, you need to come on. Who wouldn't? So wait. Okay. Silver's so good. So yeah, that's it. That's really it. Well, good job if you managed to do all of that. Look. This is louder. This is lighter. So that's not your one. Show Daddy. Bye bye, you.